Hey folks, Jocelyn here. Today we're talking about regenerative pest control techniques. We're here in the hoop house. We've got our peppers that were planted about a month ago, and unfortunately they've been infested with slugs. So there's 3 techniques I'm going to review today. The first is to create physical barriers to your pests. In this case, we put down shade cloth, we wrapped it around the base of the pepper plant, and this is going to dissuade those slugs from getting at the plant because they'll have to wind their way through the fabric before they can arrive. The second technique that we like to use here at Wastenot Farms is the use of beneficial insects, or bennies for short. What these are predatory natural insects that are specifically targeted to whatever pest issue you're having. In this case, for slugs, you can buy nematodes, which are very small soil-dwelling worms, a different type of worm, that will go after the baby slugs and help control the population of your slug problem. The third technique that we use here is called diatomaceous earth, or DE for short. While it looks like a fine white powder, it's actually finely ground seashells, which are incredibly sharp. What you need to do is you sprinkle a little bit of this onto your plant, onto the leaves and around the base. And when any kind of soft-bodied insect comes over it, it's going to be ripped to shreds. One thing to note is that diatomaceous earth does deactivate once it's wet, so you'll need to reapply after watering. I should also mention that diatomaceous earth can be aggravating to your lungs or to your eyes, so it's important to use this product carefully. And of course, I want to mention that it's always important to be adding worm manure to your plants to foster that microbial diversity. That way, the microorganisms will be ready and waiting to work with your plant to strengthen their immune system and help them fight off any pests or pathogens that come their way. That's how you grow healthy plants, healthy people, and a healthy planet.